viewers, in this lecture I'll be talking about the Bohr theory that is based on the quantum mechanics. What's the difference between quantum mechanics and classical mechanics? So basically, quantum mechanics says that not all type of energy can be measured, but according to classical mechanics, every type of energy is calculable. So, Bohr's theory explains us about the quantum mechanics, not the classical mechanics. So, Bohr theory was given by the student of Rutherford, Niels Bohr. So, he said that everything that is in the atom, like he supposed to do things in favor of Rutherford. So, he elaborated the theory of Rutherford, in which he said that there are three basic states of the atom. First of all, atom is in a stationary state. That probably means that this is a nucleus in which there are shells. Bohr theory states that if an electron is in first shell, so this electron will probably be having a specific amount of energy. Now, if this energy increases, so this electron have to shift its place. Whether its energy is increased, so it will go upwards, otherwise it will go down. If in a condition it's in the first shell, K shell, so this will be ionized. This was what Bohr said regarding the energy. In the Rutherford theory, this was the limitation that if an electron is moving with a specific energy, so what is the resource of that energy? Or if it's moving with continuously moving, so why it doesn't fall on the neutron? So this was explained by Niels Bohr. According to his second point, there is a specific angular momentum for each electron in the shell. What is the angular momentum? Angular momentum is equal to mvr. That probably shows that a electron has mass with a specific moving velocity and moving in a radius. That probably means that this is a nucleus and then electron is moving in a shell. So it probably have a mass, probably have a velocity, and probably is moving with a radius that we call the distance. Third point of the Niels Bohr theory was that the emission and absorption, by which we came to know about the theory of the spectrums. So, in his emission and absorption spectra, he told that if an electron absorbs higher energy, it need to go in the upper shell. Just suppose that this is a nucleus. This is one shell. Probably this shell is too big. So, this is a first shell. This is second shell. Let me make it again. This is a second shell. And this is the third shell. So according to Bohr theory, if an electron is in the first shell, and in the first shell, just assume that in the first shell, an electron should have the energy of 2 electron volt. Now, if this electron absorb an upcoming photon, just suppose that this is a photon which is this electron absorbed, and now the energy of this electron comes up to 3 electron volt. So what will happen? Basically, this electron will shift into second shell. This first shell is K and the second shell is L. So this will shift up to L shell. And this is the concept of the emission and absorption. Now, this was all about the Bohr theory and its points. I hope that Bohr theory is clear to you all, and thank you so much for watching this video.